Hi guys, a new site today. It's on data recovery, and this is my second run on this video. I was halfway there, but then I had to change my keyword strategy because it went haywire, and I'm already annoyed. So bear with me. So this domain has some quality links, not a lot of them. It has a D of 21, and it's also not indexed naturally yet, but we'll see how this works out when I submit it through a premium indexer like Index Me Now or Giga Indexer. What I've tried so far is I've searched for Android data recovery, but then it was all brands coming up like Cool Mustard and stuff. I'm looking for some informative content before doing all these different brands. So it did not work out. Same with iPhone data recovery. It has some questions, but it's mostly all these different brands and locations like Las Vegas recovery. This gave me an idea of creating a site that lists down all the locations near me for recovery. We'll be doing that as well. It's a local SEO site now. So first, before that, we'll do some informative content on the site. So what I did was like how to recover data on an asterisk. It came up with PS4, Linux, LG phone, laptop, MacBook, and so. So what we'll do is we'll basically cluster these keywords, and these 48 keywords will be our informative content articles. Other than that, I think we can do all the states in the US so that people can actually find out real locations. And what we'll be using is when I'll be bulk generating articles, there's this option called outline inspired from competition. So what it will do is it will go on the SERPs and look for actual legit businesses out there, and it will create a new outline based on those businesses. So our articles might be really factual. So for example, data recovery, Android data. Let's do iPhone because a lot of guys in US use iPhone, right? iPhone data recovery in New York. Add FAQs. We'll use generate article, so we'll wait for it and we'll see if this will work for us. So the article is here. I'm yet to see this article as well. So I'm just looking for businesses, right? The New York City data. I think this did not work at all because these are not legit businesses. So let me just find, does it even work? Like, is there anything in Google? This is not a listicle type article, so but Yelp should work in a way, but it doesn't have these as outlines. This is something I can add in auto blogging, right? What you can definitely do is if you have a bunch of different affiliates, for example. So if suppose you have tied up with a brand called as New York City Repair Center or something, and then the other affiliate is ABC, and next is XYZ, are the three best repair centers in New York. So the tool will automatically cover these three options and only list down these three. So that way you can be in control. What I'll do is I'll search for businesses that provide a good affiliate commission or build some partnerships out there for this stuff. And if you have local connections, this niche will work great. Just do the informative content as much as possible before creating some local connections in some way. So I'll reach out to a couple of guys who are living in US, and if you guys know about anyone like this is basically like lead generation, right? You're building out leads for these guys and you will get paid. So if you have any local connections anywhere or any brand that you know of that does it locally in your area or in some other area that you have connections with, yeah, I think this is very profitable because with the source context you can simply name the three best ones and add your own affiliate links everywhere. For example, bus casino sites, and you have one affiliate for stake.com and so on. Since it's an expired domain, I'll explore this later on once I need to make sure it works well. If it doesn't, I'll create a new site on a fresh domain and cover it on the channel. And also, meanwhile, I'll try to promote some software online, right? Like Dr. Phone or something. Okay, Wondershare is basically the owner of Dr. Phone, I think. Apply now. I'll simply apply it. Share a sale. Yeah, I'll fill this out. We'll see how this works out. It's quite interesting now. I'll do some informative content like solved category and then build out the directory once it starts ranking and indexing well. Since it's an expired domain which has a bit of shady history, I won't be doing it right away. These are the informative articles, just 50 articles, but it has paved way or given me direction on how to monetize this site further, like either online softwares or going to a local store. And I think online softwares would be much cheaper compared to going in a store. So what I'll do is I'll do these articles now and fill out the site with some content and see if it indexes well. So alright guys, see you tomorrow with a new site.